And she is, for in our example case, she is an open work permit applicant. So before I proceed further, I want to clarify neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So these forms need to be completed in English as well as your native language. Now for Elana, as we have assumed she's an Indian citizen, let's say her native language is Hindi. So how's she gonna type in Hindi? We'll see that. I'll show you. But just let me fill this up first. Date of birth, sample, country, date of birth, status married, present occupation. I just said homemaker. Okay. Whatever is appear, name in native language. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Search in Google English to Hindi, and this is the first one. So this I'm gonna copy and then I go back. So you can put that name here, but due to whatever error is my PDF, it's not coming in other language. But I know in your it can be done, or else if your browser is able to open this form, you can do it over there. And yes, similarly you can fill. Will you come to Canada? I select yes. So I'll put John's information. You know how to do this. Date of birth, country, date of birth, present address, address. Marital status, married. Children, yes. Parent, what, mother or father, will you come to Canada? I select no, but if they are doing, definitely do. Let's say her mother name is Ella Smith. Date of birth, 1970. Internet. Country of birth, India. Present address. Provide proper address here. Married. Phone maker. Will you accompany to Canada? I select yes. Parent name. I select Smith. Here. This time they will not ask the native language. That's good. Country date of birth India. Present address. For the correct address. Marital status married. Present occupation. Let's say retired. Whatever the table in your case. If no spouse comes in this transaction, I read and sign block. But that's not the case. That she does have a spouse. So she's not going to sign here. B, she does not have children, no listed, then sign below. So she's going to sign. I mean, as per your case, certification. Okay, that's correct. You can read these instructions and then this form can be uploaded. Present occupation. I'll just say IT analyst. Now we can do validate again. It's not throwing any error. That's good. So in this way it can go. Now I'm gonna go for